Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Wednesday afternoon weather webcast for September 17th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Sorry about no webcast yesterday. Had a busy day in the weather department. Lots of heavy rain, especially in the Florida Panhandle. Some folks in Holmes and Washington County picked up anywhere between 7 and 8, maybe 9 inches of rain in one localized spot just north of Vernon in Washington County. So plenty of rain down there. Folks in southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia, anywhere from half an inch to about an inch to 2 inches. Some isolated spots picked up 3. So the heavier rain definitely down south of the border. Today, just a few showers out there because of more low-level moisture. We look at the visible satellite and you notice the clouds start to spark up. The cold front that we had talked about yesterday has already passed us by, but we still have some lingering clouds in the upper level flow pushing those clouds down to the south and east, basically because all the moisture left over from yesterday still on the ground, and all it took was a little bit of sunshine heating up, and that's how you get those clouds to form. And dew points are still rather high in some parts of the Wiregrass, still upper 60s and 70s, and that's on the sticky side of things with temperatures as hot as they are. But some drier air will start to filter in. You see dew point up in Troy dropping now to 65. They were in the low 70s earlier this afternoon, so we're already starting to see dew points drop, and they will for tonight and into tomorrow. A little bit drier around here, but really the drier air gets here by late in the week on Friday and for the weekend. So let's take a look at the showers that we've got around right now. Most of them just very light, no thunderstorms, no lightning with any of these showers. So these are just purely rainmakers, and they're moving to the south and east pretty quickly. So if you do see a shower where you are, it's not going to last too long. It's going to move to the south and east at a pretty good clip. So don't expect any more heavy rain like we saw yesterday. I think these are going to be hit and miss showers for the rest of the afternoon, and most likely actually just for the rest of probably the next couple of hours, I should say. Probably by 4:30 or 5 o'clock, these showers should end. So temperatures now, dropping numbers near Blakely. They're at 82 with the shower nearby. 89 in Dothan and Ozark, 90s in Abbeville, Troy, Enterprise. Geneva had a nearby shower. They're at 81. 88 Mariana, 89 Bonifay, 86s down in Panama City and Destin. So even though the front has passed us by, it wasn't a traditional cold front, so to speak. Not a whole lot of cold air behind it, but there are some pockets of drier air that we'll get a benefit from. So here's the 500 millibar heights and humidity. You can see the trough digging in the eastern part of the U.S., and there is all that dry air that we have around those brighter shaded region. The green areas are higher humidity, and these are the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and looks like that dry air really takes hold by this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I think we could see a little bit of cloud cover tomorrow. We'll tell you why here in a second. The futurecast will show the showers dying out through the afternoon into the evening time hours. Clouds to our north as an approaching short wave in the mid-levels of the atmosphere approaches. Just an extra piece of energy left over in the base of this big trough that we've got digging into the south. So clouds will be around for Thursday. Could see a shower. I'm thinking most of us will be dry and just cloudy for Thursday. By Friday, we really clear out all those clouds and dry out. And temperatures, especially in the morning times, will be a little bit cooler. Actually, a lot cooler in some spots. I think mid-60s for most folks in the northern part of the viewing area tomorrow. Upper 60s and right near 70 degrees for everybody else in the viewing area. Then temperatures only in the middle and upper 80s tomorrow. I think the 90s will be very scarce. A couple of spots will get there, but there'll be more upper 80s than low 90s on the map for tomorrow. Cooler air really takes hold by Friday morning into the weekend. It's not going to be a really cold shot. It'll be just dropping our temperatures closer to average. We should be in the mid-60s for average lows this time of year, and we haven't been anywhere close to that for the last few weeks. So it looks like this little dry, cool front will at least drop our temperatures a bit for the morning. Still expect near average temperatures, upper 80s for the afternoon. Maybe by the weekend we get down into the mid-80s. We'll detail that in the 5-day forecast. Haven't done that yet. We will get to that later this afternoon. If you watch News 4 at 5, 6, and 10, we'll show you the 5-day forecast. Also WRGX News at 5:30 and CW Primetime News at 9. Thanks for clicking on the Afternoon Weather Webcast. We'll see you back here on Thursday, everybody.